In November 2024, the largest online election for young people in Wales will happen. Voting for the next Welsh Youth Parliament election will open on the 4th of November and will close on the 25th of November 2024. So now is the time to get involved and register. Anyone between ages 11 and 17 living or receiving their education in Wales can vote in the Welsh Youth Parliament election. So, how can you vote? To register, visit www.youthparliament.wales. Click on the top left tab, Register to vote. Why do I need to register? We need to be able to send you details of all the candidates via email. Without registering, you won't be able to vote. You'll be asked for your name, email address, date of birth, and postcode to register to vote. Choose the postcode of your school or place of education. You can select your area or constituency from a drop-down list. If you don't know your area or constituency, search online using your postcode. If you give us your mobile number, we can keep you up to date. Once you click register, check your email account to confirm your identity. In November, we'll send you a link via email so that you can see all the candidates standing in your area. Just click on your favourite to vote. Voting opens on the 4th of November and you have 3 weeks to vote, up until the 25th of November 2024. So, if you want to be part of the largest online election for young people in Wales, register today.